Okay, so let's just start with Surah Fatiha. So I'm not reading it. I'm just explaining it because few students they told me yesterday to revise this, inshallah, so they can work on their presentation. So please listen very carefully and then start working on the presentation of Surah Fatiha. And just do not listen this only for your presentation. Feel it when you are reading. Feel it when you are reading your salah, that you know what you are reading. So you will feel connection when you are reading Surah Fatiha in your namaz, inshallah. Okay. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the world. So what we learn in this, all praise is due to Allah, because we know that as we have learned, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has all the power and he's controlling entire whole universe alone. So we should all the time say shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The way of saying shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying Alhamdulillah. How when we receive something from someone, we say Jazakallah, right? Because we want to say thank you. Jazakallah. Uh, can you please mute your mic? I don't know whose mic is. Maria Adnan, your mic is not mute. Mute your mic. Okay, so how we say thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how we say thanks to people when you want to say when you want to show them that you are happy, right? And they just give you something and then you just wanted to reply back in a nice word, so you say thank you, right? Or sometimes you say jazakallah. In a same way, when you want to say thank you to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what word we use? Alhamdulillah. This show our shukr towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And why we make this shukr, why we praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Because Allah is Lord of all the universe, as we have already discussed. The creator living on earth, in the sky, the one who are flying, the one who are living in the water, sea, or the one, anywhere, okay, anything, like all the living creatures like plants and humans and jinn and angels and if you see whatever is there in other planets, okay, everything is Allah is controlling everything. Allah is the Lord of world, okay, and this is not easy to control every single thing alone. So that's why it is very important all the time saying Alhamdulillah. Oh Allah, I'm very thankful to you, and Allah, I praise you, okay. And why we are telling these, the first three ayah is about praising. As I said, the first three ayah of Surah Fatiha is praising, because you are asking something from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So before asking, in the fourth ayah, in three ayats, you praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that, oh Allah, you are the Lord of the world. And then you just say, oh Allah, you are Rahman, you are Rahim, okay, Rahman Rahim, you are very, very merciful. So when you say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are very merciful and you are especially merciful, that means that I know you will mercy on me. Maliki yawmiddin, oh Allah, I know that at the day of Qiyamah, when the Qiyamah, yawmiddin means the day, the judgment day, right? So that when the day will come, who will be the one who will decide who is going in Jannah and who is going in Jahannam, and how it will, everything will be happening. It's only because you are the king, okay? You are the one who will do that. Maliki yawmiddin, you are the one who are doing that, okay? So when you remind, or when you say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, these three, these three praise, then at the same time, after praising Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what you say to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Iyyaka na'budu, oh Allah, there is no point I do not worship you. I worship you. Not only I worship you, wa iyyaka nasta'in, we ask help from you. Whatever problem you face, as I explained, that whatever problem you face, make it habit, sit down, make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala first. Because in every salah you are saying, oh Allah, I ask help from you, right? We ask help we ask for help from you, right? And you are saying, I'm not only worshiping you, but if I am in problem, you are I if I find someone whom I go and tell, this is you, I will come and I will say, I ask help. If you are saying these words in your salah, then in practical life you should follow that. Okay, so sit down, make dua, say, oh Allah, I'm in this problem, please, take me out from this problem. I have exams, oh Allah, please help me. I have this problem or that problem, or I have sickness, oh Allah, please, remove, or take me out from, whatever problem you have. Okay, anything. So first sit down, and let's suppose if you have exam and you need help from a friend. Okay, so don't just depend on your friend. First, ask dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Oh Allah, I need help. And you arrange someone who can help me. And then Allah will put in the heart of someone when you will say, okay, to your friend, okay, I need the help. And then they will say, okay, okay, no problem. Because Allah will put in their heart that this person need help. So just go and help. So sometimes we listen about someone who is needy, even we don't know, but we spend money, our zakah money, our zakat money, even we don't know them. So how we are giving our money to those by listening third person that, oh, they need it. How? Because might be that person made, sit down and make dua that, oh Allah, I need help. Please arrange someone to help me, and Allah put in our heart to give our sadaqah money, or donate our sadaqah money to, or donate our money to that needy people. Okay, so this is Allah. He knows how to do it, but your job is to sit down and make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, inshallah. Okay. Ihdina sirat al-mustaqim. We learn that we always ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us to the straight path. And I draw a picture, and I just explain that, let's suppose this is your path and this is Jannah. So your straight path is this one. Okay. Now there will be two kind of people. One who will go straight, and one who will not go straight. Either they will go here and here, and Jannah is here. If they will move here and there, they are going far away from Jannah rather than going towards the Jannah. Okay. So this is our job to make dua all the time. Please guide us to the straight path. Because if we will make dua, as I said, Allah will always help us, and always arrange someone to guide us to follow the straight path. If you will forget, inshallah, your friend, your teacher, your family member, anyone will help you and remind you, oh, you need to follow the straight path, and it will help you. It will be a reminder for you, inshallah. Okay, but your job is to make dua, ihdina sirat al-mustaqim. Oh Allah, please guide me the straight path. Okay. Now, sirat alladhina an'amta alayhim, the path of those upon whom you have vested favors. Okay, so we learn that there are two type of people. One from which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is happy. Okay, so we always ask, oh Allah, please keep me among those by which you are happy, or you feel happy with them at the day of Qiyamah. غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا الضَّالِّينَ. And please do not make me among those you are angry, or they are astray, or they are not following the straight path, and their final destination is hellfire. And if I will follow them, unfortunately, I will be also in the hellfire, right? So I just don't want to do that. Okay, so please Allah, make me safe from all those. And what I explained you yesterday, that the last thing, that when we say an'amta, when we say, oh Allah, keep me among those you are giving gifts, or you will be happy at the day of Qiyamah. There are four kind of people, and you can follow anyone. Okay, you can decide and follow any path. Okay, so either the path of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this is must. Okay, the prophets, okay, they are going to Jannah because they always follow the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So prophet, they are blessed, inshallah. They always follow a straight path. Okay, I told you, the one who speak truth, Siddiq, they will go to Jannah. Okay, and inshallah someday we will talk about this too. Okay, these four categories, inshallah. Okay, so Siddiq, and then we talk about Shaheed. Okay, the one who passed away, or the one who killed in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is fighting for Islam, or for uh, for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he died. And I explained the rituals, like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed in Quran, that don't ever say that shaheed is dead. They are not dead, they are alive, and they get food in their grave. Okay, they are alive, but we cannot see them. Okay, we cannot see them the way we cannot see Jannah, we cannot see Jahannam, we cannot see angels, we cannot see jinns. In the same way, when a shaheed died and we bury, so we cannot see them that he is having food, because Allah has put a curtain in front of our eyes, and we cannot see these things. Okay, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala want us to believe without looking. Okay, if we will raise a question, no, I will, if I will see, then I will believe. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say, okay, go, whatever you want to do, just do it, and I will decide at the day of Qiyamah where you are going. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, follow the straight path without looking, like without any question, without any doubt. Okay, so we all need to follow the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala without any without any question, that I cannot see Jannah, I cannot see Jahannam, so why should I follow? So these are all weaknesses of Iman. Okay, so always believe, if Allah is saying, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is explaining, yes, everything will happen, and a day of Qiyamah will come. Allah will ask questions. Allah will send us to Jannah and Jahannam. Okay. And the last thing is Salihin, the one who recite, the one who do good deeds, the one who recite their, the one who recite Quran, the one who, read Salah, and the one who do good deeds, charity, follow, when Ramadan come, they fast and they give sadaqah, zakat, and they go for Hajj if they have money, and yeah, they follow the basic, all the basic principles, inshallah, and they are not hurting anyone, they are doing good deeds, then inshallah, these four categories, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always feel happy, and Allah will send them in the Jannah, inshallah. So these are the easy way to follow, um to go in Jannah. Okay, so now I can take